Hello, it's Jennifer from Sealemon. After doing the fruit art challenge, I've been wanting to try another one, so over the next month I'm going to try a zodiac sign art challenge. If you want to join me, I made a layout of the prompts right here. You can refer back to this video or take a screenshot. You can also find my Instagram post with my prompts linked below. This is based on the Western zodiac, and there are 12 signs for the 12-month calendar, but I recently learned that there's a 13th sign that was left out by the Babylonians. So if you want to include that, you can go ahead and do that as well. There is so much symbolism and imagery associated with each unique sign, so I think this will be a really fun art challenge. If you don't know much about the astrology of these signs, I recommend doing a Google search to learn about what animal or traits or symbol is associated with each one. And to be honest, I don't really know much about the history of zodiac signs, so this challenge will be a good opportunity for me to learn more about it. As usual, you can translate the prompts in any medium or format of your choice. If you want the convenience of the prompts laid out in my usual doodle challenge format, I made a template download which you can find for sale in my Etsy shop. The link is also down below. However you choose to do this challenge, I would love to see what you come up with, so tag me on social and add a hashtag sealemon to your post, and I will be posting mine on Instagram, so get ready for some zodiac art in your feed. It's up to you if you want to make this a daily challenge, a 12-day challenge, or if you're like me and you want to take your time, you can do it over the next month or so. Shout out to my Doodle-lemon patrons for supporting more art challenges to post on this channel. And if you're interested in helping me make more content like this, go check out my Patreon link down below. I also want to thank you guys for sharing your art in the last challenge. Hashtag sealemon was flooded with fruity art, and I loved seeing all your posts. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. If you want more art and doodle challenges, check out this playlist right here. All of these links will be down below. I look forward to seeing your zodiac sign art, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!